Good morning and salutations, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. We have another installment of Let's Mod This Car. We are taking it back old school with this one to the first Fast and the Furious days. And we're installing some neon underglow into the car. Except it's not really underglow anymore, it's LED strips. They're like super efficient, super bright, waterproof, all that kind of stuff. So it should look pretty cool. It's just a fun novelty that I decided to install on this thing. I had actual underglow tubes on a Jetta Sport Wagon back in the day, and I thought it was pretty cool. But this one, it has like 3 million different colors, and let me show you what we got going on. All right, so as you can see here, we've got the box from Oneuplighting. Hey guys, I almost forgot. I actually want to give a shout out to Oneuplighting. I'm going to be doing a little affiliate program with them. I've got a coupon code that can save you some money on your next underbody neon kit or whatever they have. You can use it in the checkout. I'm going to put the link below. I'll put my my code there. It's going to be WOBBLE. And yeah, so you can save a little bit of cash on your next purchase with them. They've got a bunch of different options: underglow, under hood, I think fender, neon, like the rock lights, whatever. So they have a lot of options. Just go check it out. Again, use code WOBBLE, save you some money. They seem to be about the best as far as I can tell. The install is very straightforward. The strips are pretty cool looking. I mean, it basically installs with some double-sided adhesive. You don't need to screw anything in. Just got to run some wires, zip tie some stuff up out of the way. You know, the typical install stuff. But let me pop this open. Alright, looks like Christmas lighting. You can see it's got the double-sided adhesive up here, and then everything's encased in this like waterproof silicone. I don't really know what to call this, but it's very flexible. It has a bunch of LEDs, and yeah, these connectors are seemingly looks like they're waterproof, so basically they'll connect into each other. Tighten this guy up, and then you've got a solid connection there. But this is it. Like, there's a couple of sets of wires, a couple of sets of lights. In here, I already went ahead and ran this is the control box down there. And that's literally just a positive and negative, and then you have an app on your phone that controls all the lights, so it should be pretty cool. But I decided to use this grommet here. I'm going to go ahead and seal this up once I get everything installed, just because it has a little slit in it, so I can run the wires under. And then under here, you can see they pop out right there. So I'll probably use something to secure them, somewhere up here, so they're not hanging down and you can't see them while I'm driving. And then the lights themselves, I'll probably, don't really know yet where I'm going to put them, but I imagine it's going to run along the back somewhere here. It'll be a little difficult. I can't put it on the diffuser because of the diffuser. I mean, I guess I could maybe go up and over, but that'd be weird. So got to find a good spot for them back here. Sides should be super easy. The front, I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get to that. But for now, I'm going to get you guys set up on the little tripod action, and we're going to get started. All right, stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, I'm just laying them out here. We've got the rear. We've got one of the sides. Front, and then the other side's over there. They give you they give you 4 small ones and 2 long ones. So I'm gonna do one of the long ones on each side. I'm gonna do, I think, 1 small one in the back, and then 1 small one in the front. And then I might actually put one up under the grill. I'm thinking I might be able to secure one to maybe the back of the core support, or maybe up under here, and have it light down on the intercooler. That might be kind of cool at night. I don't know. We'll see. See how the underbody goes first. But just wanted to kind of show you guys what type of lights they send you in the underbody kit. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the of course in the rear, because that's where the wire comes through, and then kind of work our way up and around and back to the rear. All right, let's climb under the car, and I'm gonna show you. So I just ran the driver's side up the side. Let's slide through here, and you can see where it comes up through there. It then gets fed up here. We've got it zip tied. Hopefully it auto focuses and the light comes on. Okay. We've got it zip tied here. We also have it zip tied to the fuel line. Oh my gosh, the lighting is awful. I'm sorry, guys. I've got it zip tied to the fuel line, to the subframe in the rear, to the subframe here, and then running up under the heat shield, and then coming out right here, going into the grommet. Again, I'm going to secure this up. I still have to seal the grommet for waterproofing, and I'm actually going to throw some heat-resistant tape up around this wire, because I don't know for sure if it's heat resistant or not. I haven't really looked into that, but just in case, because I mean the proximity of the exhaust, it's, you know, a couple inches away. Just want to be on the safe side. But let's go up to the side and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, here we are into the side of the car. So again, you can see the LED strip, the wire going up into that hole, and in the strip itself, I actually secured to the like the felt carpet, whatever you want to call this stuff, and you can see it running all the way up there. So it actually sticks very well to this. I cleaned it off, of course, got all the little sand and stuff off, but overall it's sticking very well. So hopefully this is a good spot. It hides it so you don't see it here, but hopefully it's enough light that it'll shine out under and on the ground. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'll be back. Alright guys, I have the rear installed. Sorry if the lighting sucks, I can't find my GoPro light, but it runs up onto the spare tire bump down, whatever you want to call that, up onto the exhaust shielding on both sides. And then of course the wire again is up above the heat shielding on this side, up above the heat shielding on this side. It runs over, down, and the passenger side over here is installed now as well. So there you go. You can see the light running up the same channel, and then it's coming out of the same hole here, running through the fender liner and everything like that. Now I'm going to go ahead, pull the car off of the ramps, spin it around, because for the front I'm going to have to jack it up, get a little bit of droop in the suspension, probably run the wires up into the fender liner, and go from there. Now, I did also pull off, you know, the cover that's under here. Pulled that off. I think I can mount the light up underneath of it, and it should be able to shine down. I think that'd be pretty cool looking, so we're gonna see what happens, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the garage, spin it around, we'll be good to go. All right, as you guys can see, we've got light. Front, side, rear's on, side's on. Just want to show you guys, I did end up pulling the front wheels just to make it a little easier. I ran the wire up into the bumper through here. You can see it just back there, or maybe you can't because it's kind of dark. And then down and connected everything. Don't have a whole lot of time left on this memory card, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. This is the app. You can see, change the colors. It's pretty cool. A bunch of different modes, stuff like that. What I am going to do is get this on the ground, get it outside, give you guys a little demo, and we'll go from there. I'll be back. Alright guys, so we are finished up. You can see I'm outside. There's Archer. Say hi, Archer. Yeah, he likes it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. We've got our sides, front, all done. Hey guys, real quick, I wanted to show you something I did. Decided last minute I had an extra wire, an extra light with no additional connector on it, and I had an extra connection in the trunk. Because you'll see when you order the kit, it comes with two. You can run a whole bunch of different options with this. So I actually decided to go ahead and, excuse the mess in here, but I just installed it at the top of the trunk and then I ran it down and into there. But yeah, just wanted to show you that too. So of course it lights up the same as the rest of the car, but it's just in the trunk now. Just figured I have it, why not? Okay, that's all. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Thanks so much for stopping by. I think overall this install probably took me a couple hours just because getting it up on the jack stands, getting it up on the ramps, taking off the front wheels, etc., running everything, making it look clean, you know, that takes time. But very, very easy install, power, ground, and then everything is controlled through the app. So super, super easy. And again, shout out to Oneuplighting for the affiliate code. Again, use it, code WOBBLE. I'll put a link down below. Check it out. Lots of different options on their website. All right, well, until next time, y'all take care. See ya.